Introducing the Advin Laparoscopic Grasper, Maryland with metal handle and locking mechanism, a versatile instrument for precise dissection and tissue handling in minimally invasive surgery. The Maryland jaw design combines a fine curved tip with a strong grasping surface, allowing both delicate dissection and firm tissue control. The integrated locking mechanism provides steady grip during longer procedures, minimizing surgeon effort and ensuring stable performance. Constructed from medical-grade stainless steel, this grasper offers durability, corrosion resistance, and long-term reliability. The metal handle enhances stability and strength, while its ergonomic shape ensures comfortable use even in extended surgeries. With its combination of precision, secure locking, and surgeon-friendly handling, the Advin Laparoscopic Grasper, Maryland with locking mechanism is an essential instrument, improving efficiency and safety across a wide range of laparoscopic operations.